Most people build one AI agent and stop there. But real automation systems, the ones companies actually run on, don't use one agent. They use a team of agents. Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. Today I'm going to show you how to build a multi-agent content system in n8n. 4 AI agents, each with one job, working together to take a single topic and turn it into a fully published article automatically. Here's a problem with a single AI agent doing everything. The prompt gets bloated, the model gets confused about what it's supposed to be doing right now, and quality drops. The fix is simple: split the job. Think of it like a small team. One person researches, one plans, one writes, one publishes. Each person is only good at one thing, but together they produce something none of them could do alone. That's exactly what we are building. Here's the pipeline: a research agent, an analysis agent, a writing agent, and a publishing agent. The output of one becomes the input of the next. The research agent only researches, it's not allowed to write anything. The analysis agent only turns that research into a structured outline. The writing agent only writes the article from that outline. And the publishing agent only packages the final piece: SEO title, meta description, tags, and marks it ready to go. Let's build it. First, a webhook trigger. This is what kicks off the whole system when a topic comes in. I'm pinning some test data here so I can run the whole workflow instantly without waiting on a real webhook call. Next, the research agent. Notice the system prompt. I'm explicitly telling it your only job is research. Hand off clean notes, don't write the article. Then the analysis agent picks up those notes and turns them into a JSON outline, title, hook, and section headings. I'm forcing structured JSON here so the next agent has something clean to work with. The writing agent takes that outline and writes the full article in Markdown: intro, each section, a conclusion with a call to action. Finally, the publishing agent. This one packages everything: SEO title, meta description, tags, and marks the status as published. I added one small code node after that, parse publish package, just to safely parse that JSON in case the model wraps it in Markdown fences. Let's run it live. I'll hit execute and watch. Research agent kicks in first. Now analysis is structuring the outline, writing agent is drafting the full piece, and there it is, publishing agent packaged it and marked it published. One topic in, one finished article out, completely hands off. That's a real multi-agent system, not just a fancy name, an actual pipeline where each agent has a specialized role. If you want the ready-to-import JSON for this exact workflow, comment agents and I'll send it your way. And if you're building automations like this regularly, join the Skool community, links in the description. See you in the next one.